Welcome back, children. Today, our first topic is flowers. Flowers are basically a very, very beautiful and pure thing, which is a beautiful creation of nature. It is offered to gods and presented to the near and dear ones because of its beauty and purity. It may be of different size, species, color, and shapes. It grows on delicate plants. Flowers like roses, lotuses, tropical water lilies, dahlias are very much famous for their beauty and glamour. Besides, there are many other popular and common flowers like lily, marigold, jasmine, china rose. There are also small flowers like daisy. Seasonal flowers are small, pretty sizes and color planted in parks and lawns. Flowers are also sold in the market. They are used for decorating our houses, temples, and even we use flowers in weddings and festivals. Flowers are loved and adored by all of us. Nowadays, even we are using flowers in a party theme, in a decoration purpose for aromatic scent. From flowers, nowadays we are making essential oils which are very helpful for our physical and mental health. Sometimes flowers are also used for different kinds of medicines. They are used for perfumes, air cleaners, for hair oils. If we look around, we can see that jasmine flower oil, then jasmine or rose flowers, incense sticks. Yes, when you use incense sticks, that also we use from the flowers. These fragrance of beautiful flowers absorb the odor and it gives us a soothing scents. Not only that, with the help of these, also soaps, body lotions, bath soaps, candles, incense sticks, many more other things we create and we make. Even if we are decorating our garden, we use this kind of flowers to decorate the garden. We love to see them growing. We love to see them to look around us. Generally, we see that white flowers blooms only at night and colored flowers bloom only in the morning. Nowadays, if we think about flowers, we are using the flowers as jewelry also, like daisy neck chains, necklace, bracelets. Even we use different kinds. We can make it at home also. We make different kinds of pendants, earrings, bracelets and rings from that. Nowadays in the Indian wedding, flowers are used as ornamental jewelry for the bride. Flowers mainly attracts many insects, so sometimes to protect them we need to spray some insecticides on them. Even from the flowers also we recreate different kinds of pesticides. A flower garden can be a fun and exciting place for us. We can play around. When we are playing around, if we see beautiful blooming flowers all around us, it gives us a freshness. We get up in the morning, we see them, and it makes our day beautiful. And not only that, we should, if we are planting flower plants in our home, then we should take care of them. We should put plenty of water in them so that the plants and the flowers can be healthy and it can grow very well. There are many flowers are there which blooms annually. It cultivated annually in the once in a year, like aster, petunia, pansy, then marigold. But some other flowers are there. Those usually grown in the garden, like poppy, stalk, sweet pea, and iris, tulips. Page number 26. Color the flowers in the circle the flowers in the following. So let us see. Okay, so this is a flower. We have to circle them. Then yes, this is a flower. We have to circle them. This is a leaf. We are not going to circle. Again, this is a flower. So circle them. Circle it. This is a leaf. We are not going to circle. This is also a leaf. We are not going to circle. This is a flower. So circle it. Leaf. No. This is a flower. Circle it. This is also a flower. Circle it. But this is not a flower. So this is in page number 26. Now our next topic is vegetables. I know children, you might be saying that you have already done quite few on vegetables, but today I am going to teach you about why we should eat vegetables, why it is important, why should we eat more on green vegetables. Vegetables have many kind of health benefits. People who eat vegetables and fruits as part of an overall healthy diet are likely to have reduced risk of chronic diseases. It gives us nutrients which is very much important for our health and to maintain our body. Most vegetables are naturally low in fat and calories. They don't have any kind of excess calories or excess fat. Vegetables are very important source of many nutrients like potassium, fiber, folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, many others. Potassium helps us to maintain the blood pressure. Not only that, from where we get potassium, like if we eat tomato, if we eat spinach, lentils, sweet potatoes, white potatoes, then beet, greens, kidney beans, then we can get enough of potassium. Why fiber is required? See children, if we eat more healthy vegetables, more green vegetable, it helps our blood to be in good condition, and it also help our heart to be healthy. Fiber is most important for the waste product removal. If we are eating fiber diet, if we are eating more on vegetables, it will help us to remove the waste from our body. Then there will be no constipation. Fiber containing food such as vegetables helps provides a feeling of goodness to us. Not only that, folic acid helps the body to form red blood cell, which is help the blood to be more purified and good. Vitamin A keeps our eyes and skin healthy. Vitamin D protects our bones. Vitamin C heals the cuts and wounds, keep teeth and gums healthy, and there are many other vitamins which helps us in many other ways, and which we can only get from these vegetables. So, green leafy vegetables are an important part of a healthy diet. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, fibers, but low in calorie. So, eating rich leafy vegetable can give us many kind of health benefit. There are many green vegetables which are actually very good for us. Like one common one is spinach. Spinach is a very popular leafy green vegetable. Is easily we can make many kind of dishes with this. Not only that, it helps us in for a pure blood. It helps the blood to be very good. It also a great source of fiber. Now green, one more vegetable is cabbage, which we love to eat during the winter season. From cabbage also we make different kind of things. Not only that, if you eat green leafy vegetables, then your memory will be very good. It will help you to give a sharper memory, and it can also be helpful to manage your weight. Okay children, now this is page number 24. So match the object to its color, then color it too. So first we can see here purple. Let us find out. Yes, so we have to color the brinjal in purple color, but before that match the brinjal and then color it. Then next here we can see lemon. We know lemon is of yellow color. So here, yes, this is yellow. So first match the yellow color with the lemon, and then you are going to color the lemon yellow. Then this is leaf, and we all know that leaf is green color. So in this side, first match with green color this leaf, and then color the leaf green. And then last is apple. Apple is red in color. So we have to match the apple here with the red color, and then we are going to color the apple red. So our next topic is, what are the things that is hot? So first, if we see fire, we all know fire is very hot. Not only that, even we can see fire in the gas stove. There is fire when we light the gas. If we are lighting the candle, that is, we are getting the fire. If we are burning the matchstick, we are getting the fire. Sometimes the lamp, earthen lamp, we lights up, that is fire. So fire is very hot. We should not touch them. Then in the morning, in the evening, we drink hot tea mainly. Every day we drink, either it is summer, winter, rainy, the whole year we drink tea, and tea we always drink hot. And then if we are talking about sun gives us ray, sun gives us light. Sun is very hot, because when we are going in during the sunlight in the morning, we can feel the heat. So sun also gives us heat. So sun is also very hot. Now about cold thing. So soup is, oh, 1 minute, soup is also hot. During winter season we drink hot soup. So if we are talking about cold thing, then ice is very cold. It is extremely cold. If we touch it, we can't hold it for long. So ice is very cold. And the next one is ice cream. Then cold puddings, which we refrigerate and then we take it out. That is so yummy, but it is so cold, and we love to eat those cold yummy ice creams. So now let us do the worksheets. This is page number 25. Write H for hot and C for cold. So first let us see. Oh, this is fire. Fire is very hot. So we have to write here H. Now, oh, smoke is coming out from the tea. The tea is very hot. So write here H. Wow, yummy ice cream. And ice cream is cold. So write here C. Then sun. Sun is yellow in color, and we all know sun gives us heat and light. So sun is very hot. So write here H. Now moving on here, this is ice. Ice is super cold. So write here C. This is page number 25.